Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a Nerdle puzzle. This is Maths Wordle. We have to guess the correct mathematical equation. I'm going to start with the same sum I always do, and it gives me a lot more information than it normally does. So we've definitely got a 2-digit answer because the equals is in the right place. Everything else, hopelessly wrong. Well, not hopelessly wrong, just in the wrong place. So, we do have to use a minus. That probably means we're going to use a plus or a times or a divide as well, because I think we're not going to have a 3-digit number minus a 1-digit number equals a 2-digit number, are we? Well, I suppose technically we can, but we can't because we can't use the 9. So it can't be 100 minus 5. Right, so it's going to be something plus something minus something. Of course, the plus and the minus might be the wrong way around. That means the equals goes there, of course. So if we're using the 2, 3, 8 and 7, that means we've got 4 of the 5 digits we need to fill these gaps. So what is left? 3 plus 7 minus 8. I mean, that equals 2, and we can't have leading zeros, sadly. So, I mean, maybe it's going to be a times rather than a plus. I forgot that we needed a 2-digit answer. So if it's a times, so what are the options here? 3 times 8, that's 24. If we take away the 7, then we're not going to be using the 2, and vice versa. 3 times 7, I don't think it's going to work either. 2 times 7, I don't think works. So maybe we need to use a digit that we haven't used yet in the multiplication bit, which is very annoying. What do we want the answer to be? Because it can't be 37. How are we going to get the 2 and the 8 involved? Can it be 38? I don't think we're going to get the 2 and the 8 involved again. Or the 2 and the 7 in that case it would have to be. Oh, tricky. It feels like it shouldn't be this tricky. How about if we go back to the plus? That means it definitely is going to have to be a 1 there. Oh, this is going to work, isn't it? It's just going to be 8 plus 7, or vice versa. Minus 3 equals 12. That does work. We've got a few things in the wrong order. Okay, so the minus goes there, the plus goes there. We definitely have to take away the 3, which means the 7 goes there, the 8 goes there. That's how it's going to work. And that is Nerdle in 3. That took a lot of thought, because we had a lot of information even just after that one guess. So working out what was actually possible took a while, but we solved it. That is Nerdle.